Today on Delta Safari, I break out my fly rod and go for some largemouth bass. Let's head to the Delta. Hey Delta, what exactly is fly fishing?
Fly fishing is an angling technique that uses an ultra-lightweight lure called an artificial fly, which typically mimics small invertebrates such as flying and aquatic insects to attract and catch fish, sugar bear.
Hey, we're back at one of my favorite places of the weird places that I go. This is the stormwater retention pond in front of Costco again. This time I brought my fly rod with me. We're gonna see if we can't catch some bass on top water with a fly rod.
There we go. Nice. There we go. Ooh, nice one, too. Oh, get it. Oh, there we go. Oh, are you kidding me? Another one? I don't know if it's the heat or because I'm using such a small lure, but I only seem to be catching small ones today. Oh well, anything's better than nothing. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Come on, we'll lose this one. There we go. That's official. To me, fly fishing is less of a sport and more of an art form. It's, I guess, the best way to put it is, it's zen. Big blow up. There we nice. Oh, again, I lost another one. Oh, yeah. That's, oh, come on. What is the deal today? There we go. I got that one on shore. Holy crap. Oh, jeez. Frickin' rod came apart. Let's get this back in here. Let that be a lesson to you folks. Always make sure that your rod's put together secure. This is the second time this summer that I've been able to capture a sunset and moonrise at the same time. There we go. Not again. Whew, it's just not my day. Yeah, there we go. Another one. And I got this one on shore too. Every once in a while, oh, that's the biggest one of the day. Hey, got another. Hey, it's not too big, but he's got a lot of flavor. Look at that little fella. He's adorable.
Well, that certainly was fun. I lost more than I landed, but a lot of good hits. We have had the weirdest weather. Last week, over the course of about 5 days, probably 10 to 12 inches of rain. This week, heat advisories every day and a heat index of over 110. I'm happy I caught anything.
Are y'all still here? Click like and subscribe on your way out, would you? Thank you.